Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share 3 different ways that you can make money with a piece of software called Content Samurai. Now if you're a long time viewer of this channel then you know I absolutely love this piece of software. I recommend it, I share it and I use it in my online business and I use it for many more projects. Now this is perfect timing because they're doing another promotion with this and currently let me go ahead and show you this. So at this moment in time they've just released this. You can get this, it's for the next 4 days and you can get this for $29 a month and normally it's $47 a month. Now look, don't worry about this $29 at this moment in time because when you sign up to this you can get access to this for free for 7 days, and with the 7 days you can create as many videos with this piece of software as you want. After the 7 days you'll then get it for this absolute bargain price of $29 a month, because this is what I'm paying $47 a month and they're giving you all of these additional bonuses in here. So if at any point in this video you want this piece of software, click on the link down below, it'll take you over to this page here. There's a video on here and it shows you everything that's included in here. But let me show you a couple of ways that you can make money with this method and recoup this $29 a month, because it's incredibly simple. So in fact let me go ahead and show you Content Samurai so you understand what it is. So with Content Samurai you can create stunning videos fast, and what I love about this software here is you can go from script to video in seconds, and it's genuinely awesome, and I'll show you how fast this is. In fact, I'm going to copy this and we'll come back to this in a second. Now you can scroll down here and have a look at this. You can edit your video with a single click, and there's so many cool features to this software. So let me just show you inside of this software and how quick it works. So this is inside of my Content Samurai. As you can see here, I use this for YouTube accounts, I use this for video marketing, I use this for some clients I work with and other bits. So this is how quick and easy it is to use this software. So I'm going to click on create a new video. Now here, look, you can go ahead and create a video for social media, from a blog post. You can do this for property video listings. You can do this for online courses. You've got all of these different options on here. So all of these are just templates. Now let me just show you how simple this is. So I'm going to click on video from a blog post. Now you can go through and pick any of these as a template or as a theme. So let me just go with this one here. And you can have a look at this in the beginning, but I'm just going to click on use this template. So you see here, write or paste your video script in here. So I'm going to paste what I highlighted here earlier, go from video to script in seconds. Now watch this, create scenes for your video. See, it's done. That's my video done. So you see on here, look, go from script to video in seconds. This is a video, come down here with a push of a, what is this? With the push of a button, Concept Samurai reviews for your script. So you see this, if I didn't like any of the text here, I can edit this, I can change it like so, look, I can change it. I can play around with this. If I didn't like this video here in the background, I can go over here and you've got clips and images. So let's just say if I wanted some videos for the word script, you can go ahead and click on any of these and it will automatically put it over here. You can also click on here and you can have a look at images. See how quick this software is. Scroll down. And this is basically how this works. So you can simply go through really quickly, make edits to the text here, and you can also change the videos here and also the images, and you simply click on any of these. And if you didn't want any of these, then you simply search up here. Once you're happy with all this, you're done. You simply click on add a voice track to your video. So here you will have the option, you can go ahead and you can have a voice, or you can just include music. Now as part of this new promotion that they're doing, they've actually integrated with video blocks. Now if I don't know if you know about audio blocks. I don't know if you know about this, but this is a website, it's called Storyblocks. Now on here you can get video, audio and images. Now with Content Samurai they've included 125,000 new audio tracks that you can get with the software. Normally you'd have to go over to Storyblocks and pay for this, but you go ahead and you get access to all of these inside of Content Samurai. So over on here you can click on music, so you can add music, you can do an auto voice and you can even record your own voice. Let me click on music. So click on here, music. I'm going to click on preview your video. So this is building the whole video for us with some music behind there, but look, you don't have to go with this one here. Look, you've got all of these additional videos that you can go ahead and change and play around with. You've got the mood up here, all of this, your genre, you can go and play around with all of this. It's really cool stuff. So once you're happy with this, you'd simply click on looks good, continue, and you can download this. But let me show you this really quickly. So you see, that's how it looks. Now, obviously that there is a really quick explanation of this, and it's only 14 seconds, but you can see how quick and simple this all comes together. So with this software, how can you go ahead and make money? Well, I'm going to share with you a couple of ways. So the first one is over on this website here. It's called Fiverr. Now I've just come here and I've gone into video and animation, and I've come down to short video ads. Now let me just go ahead and show you this. I've scrolled down here, look at this. People are selling short video ads. Look at this one here, starting at £122. Now I'm in the UK, so these are UK prices, and obviously this will be different depending on your country. But you see all these video clips on here, you can go through and have a look at these, because you can create video ads yourself using Content Samurai, and it literally takes you seconds. It really does. Now if you want to go ahead and have a look at any of these and go through and see, you know, the pricing, so like this one here, I will produce a premium Facebook video ad for your business. He's charging, look at this, £122 for a 15-second video, and he's included video editing, script writing, 15 seconds running time, and look, background music. So you could go ahead and offer a gig like this yourself using Content Samurai. This is a 15-second video. You just saw how quick it was to create this 14-second video over here. It literally takes minutes. It really does. That's a basic package. Look at this, standard, £180 for a 30-second video. You can create that in Content Samurai. A 60-second video, he's charging £286 with this. So this here is just one method that you can use to make money with this. You can go onto Fiverr and you can list your gigs to do these really short video ads, and they genuinely take minutes to create over in Content Samurai. So this is one option for you. You can come on Fiverr and list these short video ads. You can go over to websites like freelanceguru.com, and you can also offer your services on those websites there. Now in here, in this video and animation, you've got this short video ads. You can even go and offer this slideshows and promo videos. So you can go ahead and have a look at any of these. Look at this, I will create a crowdfunding Kickstarter video. If I click on here, you can go, look, let me just click on play. So you see, these videos here, you can create these on Content Samurai. Honestly, it takes a couple of minutes, if that, to create these videos here. How much is this person charging? They're charging £122 to create this sort of video here. And this is a 60-second video for £122. Do you think you could create a 60-second video over in Content Samurai similar to this? 100%. You can create a better one with this, with all of the features that are included in here. So that there is a couple of different methods that you can use with Content Samurai over on Fiverr. Now it's not just Fiverr where you can go ahead and use this. Another way that you can go ahead and make money with this software is over on YouTube. So let me go ahead and show you one of my other channels. So I'm going to type in benefits of maracuja oil. Look at this. See this here? Maracuja oil and its miraculous benefits. This here is my channel and one of my videos. What am I doing here? Let me go and show you the channel. Click on videos. These are the videos. You can see this was the last one I did 6 days ago. We've got this one here and some more that I've done. And I'm literally just building up this channel. Now what am I doing? How am I going to make money with this channel here? Click on here. I'll show you this. Let me pause this. On here, at this moment in time, the channel's not monetized on YouTube. So what am I doing? How am I monetizing? I'm putting links down here. Look, these are all links going over to products over on ClickBank. So whilst I'm waiting for this YouTube channel here to get subscribers and the watch time, I'm earning affiliate commissions from these products down here. It's a really simple way to make money and grow a YouTube channel. And the great thing about this is it's a passive income. So I've created these videos once, and what will happen is over time they'll start to get more views. I mean, you can see this one here, it's had over 1,600 views, and I only created this just over, well, it's coming up to 2 months ago now. If I scroll down here, you can see this video is actually starting to rank as well for these search terms over on YouTube. So this is another way that you can use the software, which is over on YouTube. You can go ahead and create videos and YouTube channels in absolutely any niche that you want with this software. And as you've seen, it's really simple and it's really easy to do this. So that is another method that you can use to make money with this. The last one I want to share with you is this one up here. Go back up here. So let me go to my videos. Scroll down here. Keep coming further down the page. Where is it? Further up the page. Oh, where's it gone? Let me show you this video. So you see this one here, this video here. This is working with a local business who have a product or a service that they're offering, and I create these really simple videos for them that they can share on their Facebook page and they can share on their YouTube channel and within on their website, and I earn money for doing so. And these videos here, you can earn a hell of a lot of money with this. I sell these videos to local businesses for anywhere from £400 all the way up to £1,000. And it's literally using this software here, because once you create these videos, not only do they look professional, but the fact that you can go in and edit them and you can play around with these as much or as little as you want, I genuinely love this piece of software. I recommend it. As you can see here, not only do I use it for building a YouTube channel, I also use it in my online consultancy business. So that is 3 different ways that you can make money with this software here. And as I've mentioned, you can go ahead and get a 7-day free trial. And if you decide to go ahead and join after the 7-day trial, it will cost you $29 a month. And if you try and use the methods that I've shared with you today, so if you're going over to Fiverr and putting these gigs up on Fiverr, you literally need to sell 1 of these a month to start recouping how much it will cost you for the software. You can go ahead and build YouTube channels with these. You can offer services to local businesses, entrepreneurs, bloggers. The list really is endless with this piece of software. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But overall, do I recommend this piece of software? Yes, 100%. Do I use it? Yes, as you've seen so here. So thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.